The case background for this project revolves around solving problems in managing sales data efficiently. Initially, the sales database was poorly designed with multi-valued dependencies, causing several issues like data redundancy, update anomalies, and slow queries. These problems made it difficult to maintain accurate and reliable data, which is crucial for businesses making informed decisions. To address this, we normalized the database to Fort normal form. This process involved breaking down the data into smaller, more focused tables that represent a single fact, such as details about product promotions or sales transactions. This not only improved the system's performance but also ensured data consistency and accuracy. By creating a well-structured database, the project aims to provide businesses with a reliable way to track sales, analyze the impact of promotions, and make better strategic decisions. The result is an efficient, scalable system that supports data-driven insights.
So we're here to talk about our ERD in sales data analysis. First, we need to talk about the transaction on many-to-many relationship on other tables. So transaction have one-to-many relationship transaction product, and transaction product have many-to-one relationship on product, and product can have one-to-many relationship on product category, because we need to track on multiple categories can belong to one product, so that we have to track or must reflect data must reflect involved in each transaction, so that we know what category it is. It is electronics, home appliances. We need to track that on each product, so that product can belong to multiple categories. Next, transaction have one-to-many relationship in representative sales. Many representative sales have many-to-one relationship in sales representative. Next, transactions have one-to-many relationship in transaction service. Transaction service has many-to relationship on the service. Next, transaction have one-to-many relationship on transaction promotion. Transaction promotion have many-to-one relationship. And this is one of our business rule, that products can be part of promotional campaigns in sales. Data must track the impact of this promotion on individual transaction. So we need to have a joint table, so that we can track all these on a different table, so that it's much easier to edit the promotion than to put it on the transaction. And the regions have many to one relationship. And as you can see here, we have didn't have connect this, because this is just to connect the user and the audit logs for the query on the our website. So this is our database structure on sales data analysis. So as you can see here, we have audit logs. Audit logs have ID, user, action, details, times. On category, we have ID and name. On products, we have ID, name, price, stock, description, and categories. On product categories, we have ID, product ID, category, to track the different categories on each product, because product can have multiple categories. And promotion have ID, name, discount percentage, start date, and end date. Regions, we have ID and a name. And representative sales have ID, transaction ID, representative ID, commission ID, commission percentage, commission amount. And sales representative have ID, name, email, phone, percentage. And service have ID, name, cost. And transaction have ID, total of the transaction, created that, region ID, modify that. And transaction product has ID, transaction ID, product ID, quantity. Transaction promotion have ID, transaction ID, promotion ID, discount amount. And transaction service has ID, transaction ID, service ID, and price. And user has ID, username, email, password, and created that. As you can see here, it's connected through all tables on one transaction, multiple transaction in all of these tables. This is our database structure on sales data analysis. Now, let's talk about our connection to the database in our PHP on our SAM. So, our database has a local host, and our user name root, and the password has not set, and DB name is sales management update, so that our connection on our database, so that we can delete, add, edit, and update our database An example on product, it has an include slash db.php to connect to the database and edit something on there. And this is the code for that database so that we can update something, add something on the database. And just like on promotion, it has to the PHP include db.php to connect to the database. Same as the region, reports, representative sale, sales representative, service, transaction. All of it has a DB connection on our database. This is the connection again. So I'm gonna walk through you for our system so that as you can see, it's working all the delete, the edit. As you can see, it can edit one, add a category, the products, can delete, you can even edit, can update also the promotion, it can delete also, can edit, can delete also, you can add promotion, promotion name, date, add the promotion, and the regions also, you can add regions, delete the regions also, and you can edit them, been edited. Even the sales representative, it's working when you add the representative, email, the phone number. If you add something, it will add and even edit. You can edit. And once you can delete also, delete successfully, been deleted. The service also, you can edit, you can delete, been deleted. Representative, you can add a sales contributor or so if a transaction, if a employee or a representative that transaction, you can add here RG Pataxil here has been added and transaction, and you can delete here the transaction. Even also the transaction itself. You can delete here. Once you deleted, been deleted forever. So and you can edit also here. You can add that and update transaction, and it's been updated for that. And the sales report, it's been here when you want to do region 1 or motor, all products, motor, the title start date, or no transaction found. If all products, region 1 only, it will appear region 1, south, it appear on the south only, region 2, region 3, region 1, region 2, Africa, and the logs also, it's been working all the time, so it's working all. So category create, it has a select on the username, so who is the user itself on that, and the username, it's fetch that username on getting the log user ID and check if it's submitted, and get the category name from input here in the insert a category into the database, inserting new category I said. So we insert that created category, the date itself, and insert this is I insert the log entry only. We need to edit the log itself. So we have the category name and the username and the timestamp itself. So that is the queries for that and for this. So for the delete, also we are delete from for here, delete from category where ID is the category ID itself, and it insert to the log entry when you delete something, insert into audit logs, action, detail, username, tags, and values, action, detail, username, timestamp. And the read also, we have read also to read to modify the SQL query to the filters by search query itself, and select ID is a category name from category where name like search query or ID to do this. This is the select query for search. And to the update, also select here the category to update to modify the category name itself. Update category, set name equals category name, where ID equal to category name. This is the update for the category. It's the same as transaction, service, seller representative, representative seller reports, region, promotion, products. All of these have this SQL query for all of our database. And this is our system itself. So thank you. This is our presentation.